Well done, my people. My name is Rebecca, and I don't come again. Today, na cryptocurrencies we wan discuss. You know, say the last time when we talk na blockchain na we talk about, but today I wan really make we know wetin cryptocurrency be about. You see, cryptocurrency na from blockchain na im dem dey fit get am. That means dem dey build am on top of the blockchain technology. And you know say blockchain technology dey transparent. E no be something wey anybody fit just hack easily, because plenty computers wey dem dey call nodes na im dey run am. So before you go fit go hack am, you need to hack like 52 or 100 computers before you go fit come get the main one wey you go say you wan hack. And you know say no be easy work that one be. So this cryptocurrencies wey we dey talk about, before nobody really know about am. Na 2009 na im one person wey dem dey call Satoshi Nakamoto, when nobody know who im be, nobody don see am before, im dey anonymous. Na that 2009 na im this person publish im white paper. This white paper mean wetin im plan say im cryptocurrency go do, how the cryptocurrency go go. Na that 2009 na im this person publish the white paper of one cryptocurrency wey dem dey call Bitcoin. Now this Bitcoin, I know say some of una don hear of am. Na the most popular and the oldest cryptocurrency in the world. So when this man publish that cryptocurrency in 2009, na im people, the first thing when person use am do na to buy pizza.